Welcome back, and today we're going to be going through another hair tip which personally I think might be my favourite one today. As you'll know if you've been following me for a while, I have been growing out my hair and also it's been getting a little bit difficult to manage. But I've recently been utilising only 2 products in order to enable me to get that slick back hairstyle without overloading my hair with different products, weighing it down and of course affecting my scalp. I was getting a little bit of dandruff and it was something that was just really frustrating me. I was having to put so much on my hair to keep it slick back and down because when my hair's wet, it's great. As soon as it starts to dry, it kind of just starts going like this. So I'm going to show you what I've been using, but first of all, I just need to jump in the shower and then I'll show you. Right, we're out of the shower, hair's nice and wet. And one thing that I have recently got as well, I don't know if this is actually decent, but if you look on my hand, you can see it now. There are a couple of strands of hair. So basically, whenever I've been washing my hair, etc., or just kind of rubbing product through it, I have found that a few hair strands have been coming out. I'm guessing that is relatively normal, but of course I want to reduce that as much as possible. So I've seen this, it's called a bond repair serum. Again, I have no idea if this is a decent product. I've only just started using it. So basically 2 or 3 pumps in your hand and then just work that through your hair. I think you can put it in when your hair's wet or when your hair's dry, it doesn't really matter. And what I've also been doing to kind of prevent dandruff or get my scalp a little bit healthier is I bought one of these for about £6 off Amazon. It's called a scalp massager. Whenever I'm washing my hair, I've got shampoo in there, I've got conditioner in there, I just massage it through into my scalp because doing it with my fingertips was okay, but I definitely wasn't getting right into the scalp and giving it as much kind of working the product through as I possibly can. And literally I've been using this for about 5 days and my dandruff has pretty much slowed down quite a lot. I didn't have it really bad, don't get me wrong, but it was there. It was getting a little bit flaky and of course it's not ideal. It's not what we want, is it? So guys, this brilliant, proper, decent little investment and I'll be using it a lot. Right, okay, so on to the hair mask. Just random hair mask that I bought at the shop. Nothing particular, like brand wise, doesn't really matter. I've never really used them before. And all I'm gonna do is get a little bit in my hand. I'm just gonna work it through my hair. That is pretty much it. It is so easy. Make sure I get enough. I'm not going to go crazy with it because obviously I don't want it to look absolutely ridiculous, but enough to keep my hair nice and wet, nice and soft. But I just have enough so I can work it all the way through my hair. And I find that with this, when I slick my hair back, it stays in place, it looks quite cool, and it gets, when it dries, it doesn't go frizzy or soft, it almost kind of solidifies in a sense, you know, like when you put hair gel on and it gets a little bit tough, it goes like that. So if you have got a style that you want to keep in place, it works really well. And then when you break that style apart, rather than it going all weird and horrible because it's got product in, it just goes really soft and shiny like the beginning of this video. And there we go, that is pretty much it. And I've been using this particular Alice band. That does make a difference which one you're using. So obviously the way those little notches are, when I push it through my hair, it creates that kind of slick back style, absolutely lovely. And then I just leave it in my hair until I get a bit fed up later and I can just take it out, ruffle my hair up and kind of do what I want with it. And then when I wake up in the morning, my hair is pretty much just like this. It's really soft, it's really shiny, and overall it's actually clean. It's not caked up with products from the day before, which is affecting my pillow, which of course could go on your face and cause spots, etc. So this is just a really good way, I found personally at the minute. I'm not saying this is like any crazy hack or anything like that, but it's really helpful for me. I think I will continue doing it. I'm not sure if overloading on the hair mask is a good idea, but I'm finding finding it's really beneficial, and it's probably the best thing I've done in order to keep that slick back style. And then of course, as the day goes through, if you get fed up of it, you can take the Alice band out and just kind of rough your hair up and have a nice soft kind of, well, I say effortless, it looks a little bit crazy like this, but yeah, I like it, and maybe you should give it a try too. And there we go, that is my latest little hair tip, hair hack, whatever you want to call it. I'm finding this is really helping me achieve a decent slick back hairstyle, which doesn't fall out of place and get frizzy, but also it's helping me keep my hair really nice and healthy, shiny. And then, like I say, I'm not going to bed with loads of products in my hair. I'm waking up in the morning, my hair might be crazy and it's got a lot of volume, but it feels soft and it feels healthy. So guys, if you are growing out your hair and you was in a similar position to myself, give this a try. Hopefully it helps. If not, thanks for watching anyway, and hopefully I'll see you on my next video.